Hello viewers, welcome to YouTube channel TechBird. Today as part of our domain knowledge series, we will cover the topic batch management in SAP. So batch is an important ingredient of supply chain management. So let's see what is batch, how it functions, what is the importance of it. So let's move on to it. So let's see. So batch management is a critical process for any company looking to improve the efficiency and precision of their production operations. By seamlessly organizing and tracking group of products or materials with shared characteristics, SAP batch management enables companies to maintain quality control and streamline supply chain operation across the board. And with its comprehensive suite of features and robust integration capabilities, SAP Batch Management empowers organizations to optimize production processes, maintain compliance with production regulations, enhance traceability, and ultimately deliver superior product to their customer. So this article will discuss the key capabilities and advantages of SAP Batch Management, how to navigate WAP determination and management process in the SAP Material Management module, and where our team of SAP consultant can come in to help. So, understanding batch management functionality. When a batch is produced and its characteristics are measured, a batch master record is created before or during goods receipt and assigned to its respective material number in the system. We will repeat the line to make it more clear. When a batch is produced and its characteristics are measured, a batch master record is created before or during goods receipt and assigned to its respective material number in the system. So batch management is essential in helping companies, especially those in food, pharmaceutical or chemical industry, produce, procure, manage and track materials based on specific business requirements. Tracking materials with unique batch numbers requires several different functions in SAP, including inventory management, used to search batch numbers during the movement of materials into the plant. Sales and distribution, used to search for batches and batch numbers during sales order processing. Production order, used to search batch number and stock for material components when creating, processing and or releasing a production or process order. Warehouse management, used to search for a specific batch stock or batch classification in the warehouse. So what is batch management in SAP Material Management? SAP Batch Management (LOBM) is a solution designed to help companies across industries facilitate precise identification of a product lot for material managed in batches, including computer software, electrical goods, chemicals, pharmaceutical manufacturing process management, and more. The batch management solution make it easier for business users to connect products by batch and material master numbers, leverage a specified identification scheme to manage these stocks more efficiently and improve data migration across their entire SAP landscape. Common use cases of SAP batch management solution include activities related to defect tracing, regression, requirement, product callbacks, monitoring of differences in raw materials, planning and acute usage in SAP SD and production system, settlement of material quantities based on automatic batch determination and other batch specification, differentiated quantity and value-based inventory management functions, compliance and good manufacturing practice (GMP), requirements, Hazardous material regulations. Navigating batch management configuration in SAP. There are three different levels of batch management in SAP: plant, material, and client level. At the plant level, at the material level, and at the client level, at three different level batch are managed. So let's see plant level. At the plant level, a batch number is uniquely created for material inside a plant only. Batch numbers can be generated at another plant for the same company, even though the batches are not the same. However, plant level batch numbering becomes unsuitable for the material produced if a plant to plant stock transfers occurs. Here are few key features of plant level batch numbering in SAP. Batch numbers can be used for multiple materials. Batch specification and analytical results are the same for each batch. Material level. With the material level method, individual batch numbers will be unique at the material level only, meaning that different materials can have the same batch number in any given plant. The batch management flag is set the same for material across all plants that leverage such materials. And while batch numbers can be used for multiple materials, batch specification and analytical results are the same for batch through a single master record for each batch class and level. Client level. By leveraging the client level method, batch number is unique for the client, so the same batch number will be generated for different plants, even if they are under the same company code. In this case, batch management flag remains the same for material across all plants that use it. This method is especially useful in scenarios where plant-to-plant stock transfer are used and each batch number must be unique to another one. Key steps in SAP batch management process. Let's take a closer look at the main features and phases of batch management process in SAP. Batch specification for master data structure. Batch characteristic creation. During characteristics creation, users will define how characteristic value will be maintained and whether they need manual intervention. Characteristics can have a fixed value, number range, or pull values directly from tables in SAP system. Batch class creation. In this phase, all previously created characteristic values are assigned to a class that holds all the relevant characteristic values. Material master maintenance. Users can maintain each class and its assigned characteristics in the material master classification view. In this view, the batch management box must be checked to access the correct functionality. Define batch determination. So create batch determination technique. One batch determination condition tables have been outlined. They become the necessary combination fields for searching batch across the SAP environment. Condition tables are created separately for inventory management, production, warehouse management, and sales. But condition tables and search strategies are eventually created as master data records based on such criteria. Create batch determination access sequence. Batch determination access sequence involves sequence of multiple condition table based on priority assignments. This way users can create data for different key combinations. So even if the first combination fails, they can still search batch using the rest of the combination in the priority list. All access sequences are created separately for other SAP applications like SAP PP, SAP BODS and more, but can be integrated to ensure a seamless batch creation and determination for master records across the board. Create batch strategy types. Third, outline batch search procedures. So batch search procedure include multiple strategy types compiled and assigned in sequential orders. This becomes the original configuration steps, including the total search configuration for all strategy types across the SAP environment. Procedure allocation and activation check. In the final steps, users will allocate the batch search procedure to the respective SAP module including sales and distribution, inventory management, warehouse management, and more. Batch classification and search procedures are allocated to movement types in IM, production plants, and other order types in production module, sales areas and sales document types in SD, and warehouse number and movement type warehouse management. Main advantage of batch management in SAP. So SAP batch management enhances product quality, the most important thing. Regulatory compliance, operational efficiency by providing a structured and traceable approach to managing batches of material or products. And it is particularly valuable in industry where quality controls, traceability, and compliance are critical. Here are five of the main advantages of solution for business users. First, traceability and compliance. SAP Batch Management provides a robust traceability system that allows organization to track origin and history of each batch. This is critical for compliance with regulatory requirements, quality control, and recalls, as it ensures users can quickly identify and isolate any defective or non-compliant batches. Second is quality control. With SAP Batch Management, users can implement stringent quality control measures and define quality characteristics, inspection plans, and quality checks specific to each batch. This ensures that only batches meeting and defined quality standards are released for sale or use. Third, inventory and stock management. Batch management in SAP helps in efficient inventory and stock management. Users can also monitor the stock levels of individual batches, set expiration date, and prioritize using old batches to reduce waste, leading to better inventory optimization and minimizing the risk of stockouts or overstock situations. Fourth, product recall management. In the event of product recall or quality issue, SAP Batch Management enable you to quickly identify affected batches and their distribution. This accelerates the recall process and minimizes the impact of customer and brand's reputation. Fifth one is cost control and efficiency. Batch management in SAP allows for more precise cost tracking. You can analyze costs associated with producing, storing, and distributing specific batches. This granularity helps in identifying cost saving opportunities and optimizing production processes. So I think you may have obtained an idea about batch management, what its importance are, why we use it, what is the benefit of it. So guys, we will come up with the new topics in the coming session. Till then, goodbye.